Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm showing you how to make a chicken nuggets recipe that your kids will love even more than McDonald's. In fact, our daughter Kyla refuses to eat McDonald's chicken McNuggets after she tried these quick and simple homemade chicken nuggets.
Want chicken nugget? Ooh, it's so good.
So Kai, do you like Daddy's chicken nuggets? So Kai, do you like McDonald's chicken McNuggets? Yes, trust me, these are not your typical McDonald's chicken McNuggets. And of course, these are paleo-friendly chicken nuggets, and they're also way healthier and actually is made with real chicken breast instead of that mystery meat that Mickey D's uses. Also, these crispy chicken nuggets are baked instead of deep fried, which drastically reduces the calories and ensures there is no trans fats. So here's the quick and simple recipe. So guys, I hope that proves that following a clean and healthy diet doesn't mean you have to give up eating all of your favorite foods. Just by being creative and smart in the kitchen, you can literally make any meal healthy by just using the right type of ingredients. And this is exactly what we teach our members at TeamLiveLean.com. We have over 200 quick, healthy, easy, affordable, and delicious video cooking lesson recipes just like this, where we take everyday comfort meals and snacks and re-engineer them using healthy, muscle-building, and fat-burning ingredients that taste amazing. And guys, we just redesigned the entire platform so it's now all mobile friendly. So go join the hundreds of other Live Leaners just like you over at TeamLiveLean.com for more recipes, weekly meal plans, and monthly workout programs. I promise you're gonna be hooked up big time. So we'll see you over there. And thanks for watching, and keep living lean. Wah, wah, wah.